Hey everyone, let's quickly build an impressive product launch slide in PowerPoint. Begin by adding a rectangle and remove the outline. Next, use the freeform tool to draw a closed curve that intersects the rectangle. Select both, then fragment them from merged shapes. Remove any excess fragmented parts outside the slide, leaving two distinct shapes. Now, apply colors to each of these shapes and ensure their outlines are removed. To create a visual break, slightly move the first shape to the left and the second to the right. Enhance their appearance by applying a bottom right shadow to both. Setting the transparency to 79%, blur to 42 points, and distance to 56 points. Place your product image, positioning them creatively. Make sure your primary shape and key product image are brought to the front. Add your logo and text, adjusting their sizes as needed. Finally, duplicate the slide. On the duplicated slide, reduce the size of your logo and the text. Select both slides, then apply the morph transition. That's it. Your quick and amazing product launch slide is ready.